Here I have Nokia 9 PureView, and today I'm going to show you how to enable TalkBack feature on this device. So firstly you should open settings, then you should go to the accessibility section and then to the TalkBack. So here you can enable it, tap allow, and after that TalkBack tutorial starts immediately.
TalkBack on. TalkBack is a screen reader primarily for people with blindness and low vision. It allows interaction with the device using spoken feedback. TalkBack tutorial. Ring. Accessibility volume set to 100%.
So as you could hear, the TalkBack is made primarily for people with blindness.
Automatically advancing to lesson 1. When enabled, explore by touch lets you hit navigate up button. Double tap to activate.
So, as you could hear, this mode is made primarily for people with blindness or low vision, because it works the way that it speaks out loud text items with text on your screen. So you just tap anywhere and this text got spoken out loud, just like this.
When enabled, explore by touch lets you hear what's under your finger.
So
navigate up button. Double tap to activate.
When you're in the TalkBack mode, in order to navigate your device and operate something, you will firstly have to select some item, and then to confirm selection, you just have to double tap anywhere on the screen like this.
TalkBack. Navigate up button.
That's how you can
Accessibility.
go back.
TalkBack.
So if you want to disable it,
on screen.
we go to TalkBack, tap here, double tap, stop, and that's how you can disable it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.